Just hours before leaving this morning, my Wi-Fi antenna, which I have attached up here on the side with suction cups, about 5 o'clock this morning I heard something. I heard a noise, and then this morning when I went outside, it had fallen and fell right on this thing and broke it. And I just glued the whole thing on there, but the entire assembly needs to be replaced because this tab here got broken also. So I'm going to replace that before we head out. With the assembly removed, all I got to do now is cut the wires, and then take the new assembly and with wire nuts twist the new wires on, stuff them back inside the interior of the wall, and then mount this piece back up. I've got the wire nuts connected. I'll be reinforcing it with electrical tape, but in the meantime I'm scraping off all this old caulking, and I'll be installing new caulking to seal up the hole. Before screwing it back onto the camper and putting the sealant around the edge, I wanted to make sure that the electrical connections were good, and so far it all looks like it is working. Of course, I wasn't without proper amount of lighting. Right here they use self-tapping screws, so you don't want to over tighten these screws. Just snug it up so that this thing is good. And now we're going to apply a bead of gutter sealant around the top edge and down to the side. We'll leave the bottom open just in case there's any infiltration of water. It can leak out of there. This GS121 gutter and seam sealant is some pretty good stuff, and I found this at Lowe's. The sealant went on here really nice and easy. I think I'll be able to go ahead and put the lens on because it doesn't go quite that far down, so it won't interfere with the drying of the sealant.